If your writing feels flat, distant, or emotionally muted, it's not that you lack the skill to produce a meaningful story. It's because you're holding back from that story. Today, I want to talk about how new writers forget that it's not just about having that great story in them. It's as much about releasing the hold you have on that story so it can be free.
Okay, let's go.
So many new writers have a really great story in them, several in fact, but the world will never have the opportunity to be familiar with any of them the way they are meant to be experienced because, believe it or not, the writer keeps getting in the way. And I say this because for a writer to impart the true essence of what they have inside, they need to first open up and bare their soul. In other words, they need to expose themselves to the sarcasms and the ridicules of those they are writing their stories for in the first place. I know that sounds a little strange because why would a writer hold anything back if their intention is to share their work with others? And that is because writers are very private people. A writer isn't the type of individual who you'd find up on a stage performing to a large crowd. They're not even the type to grab the microphone and, after doing their rendition of My Way, finish up with a stand up routine. Writers are the behind the scenes individuals who write the scripts for a stage performance or a couple of pages of jokes so someone else can do a stand up routine. Writers really don't like to put themselves out there. They enjoy staying within the confines of their privacy and working their magic from there. But the problem is, although a writer is able to lock themselves in a secluded room and create amazing works with no one around to judge them, they are still required to expose themselves. Maybe not physically, by getting up on stage and being the center of attention, but emotionally, by opening up and allowing those who read their stories a direct insight into who they truly are. As a matter of fact, the person who gets up on stage in front of a crowd of people can do so without actually revealing who he or she is. They are performing an act, merely just to entertain. But a writer who intends to really reach their readers must reveal that innermost sanctum of their being and allow it to be subjected to the scrutiny and approval of whoever reads their work. It's important to understand that for a story to really move someone and take them along on that journey, there has to be a strong and relatable main character. That character must be able to draw that reader into their world, and to do that, they need to be able to reveal their innermost personality. And since that main character is really only an extension of the writer who created it, if you want a character that your reader can connect with, you must be willing to bare your soul and deliver a side of yourself that you usually keep locked safely away. The hard truth of the matter is that if you can't find a way to open up and release that inner essence of yourself into your writing, then your characters can never truly be real to you or anyone else. They will simply be shallow renditions of what you are willing to show to others and lacking the ability to engage with your reader. We all know that any character that is found in any sort of fiction is a byproduct of the writer who created it. They are things that weren't in existence until the writer thought them into existence. But the writer didn't just conjure them up. The writer gave them a sort of life. That's why we don't refer to them as it. They are real people to us, just as real as if we could someday bump into them on the street. But that level of life that has been bestowed upon them comes with a price. And that price is requiring the writer to give up that which they suppress deep within themselves and allow it to be embraced by others, which in turn allows that very essence to breathe life into their characters. I bet you that any writer who is having difficulty writing a believable story is most likely a writer who is unwilling to allow their most private and guarded side to emerge and inspire their writing. It goes without saying, this isn't an easy thing to do. Most people go their entire life without revealing their true self to others. They live day to day behind a sort of facade, safe in the knowledge that no one truly knows who they are. But a writer who wants to draw their readers into their world by way of the novels they write don't have the luxury of hiding behind that emotional wall. If they want to be successful at their attempts at being a renowned author, they will have to come from behind that emotional wall and put their true self on display. Because writing a novel isn't merely putting words down on a page. It's giving up a portion of yourself, sometimes even parts that were so deep within you, you didn't even know they were there until you read what you've written and discover something new about yourself. If I can leave you with anything worthwhile, as difficult and intrusive as bearing your soul for the sake of your writing might be, in the end, you will find it quite gratifying when you find how grateful your reader will be. Thanks for watching, and if you found anything that I said beneficial to you in any way, hit that subscribe button because you never know. My next video might just be helpful too.